Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chris. Today is Take It Back Tuesday or Take Back Tuesday. I still can't quite remember what the subscriber said. If she's watching, get back in touch with me and let me know, please. My son picked my palette today and we are going old school. Does anybody remember this palette? Metal from Kat Von D. This right here is the palette, and that's what I'm going to be doing. Everything else is already done on my face. However, I will put everything that's here in the description box down below. And I can't believe this, but considering how old this is, no noise whatsoever. This was still on the mirror anyway, so we've got that. So I feel ready. Oh, I guess after I'm done with the eye look, I will go over a couple of things that I kind of figured out when I was doing this. So let me get going. I'm not sure if I want to use the mirror on this or just use my one that always sticks out kind of in the. Let's see what we can do here. I have the stupidest setup you have ever seen probably in your life here on YouTube. I do. It's horrible. I'm not going to show you at all, ever. Okay, maybe heavens to Becky, who's Becky? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and look. I'm sorry, my nose is itching. I've got those, the stuff in there from the chemo stuff, and they're itching. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go into suede, and I'm going to cover my whole entire eyelid with it. Now, I hope you guys had a fantastic Memorial Day. I don't know what y'all did, but definitely tell me. Tell me if it's something exciting. I need some excitement in my life right now. Other than going to doctors. I'm sick and tired of that. So, tell me what y'all been doing. Tell me how you are. If anybody knows Amy, I'm very concerned about her. I have not heard from her. I have not talked with her. And that's very unlike her. She's, I'm afraid that she's maybe sick again. And I don't want that. I'm trying to remember her last name, so maybe she has an Instagram. If you do know Amy, could you, my Instagram is KWLP14, because I don't want to put it out for everyone, but I would like to make sure she's okay. So, and that's all. I don't want to bug her or anything, but it's not like her to not hear from her. Okay, this is probably going to be a very easy look because there's not much to this. I did try and match everything up, although it looks like in the monitor I'm seeing I got a little blush happy. At least it's not bronzer, because that's what's usually happening. But you know what? Let's say it all together. Chris forgot mascara. I don't know what, I think I just put Post-it notes all over everywhere. I mean, when I grab my my blush or highlighter, my mascara is sitting right there. I don't understand what my problem is. I don't know. Okay, I am going to go into Velvet, and I'm going to go in the crease. At least I hope I'm going to go in the crease. Yeah. they're going on super easy. Considering the age of this palette, ooh, okay, I opened my mouth, and this might be the brush I'm using. This is a little bit patchy. Let's see if I can, but it's a beautiful color. You know I used this palette years ago. I know I had to have, but I don't remember it at all. The only one I remember by Kat Von D is the Divine palette, and I love that one because it had that pop of blue. It was that one pop of blue that I had, or that was in there, and I just loved it. I used that one a lot. Yeah, I think that helped out a little bit. Maybe I'm dreaming. Okay, we'll leave that for right at the moment, and I'll do the other side. I used a different primer today. I used my go-to, which is usually the MAC Paint Pot and Painterly, but this is from Grown Alchemist. It's one you don't hear, at least I don't hear about anybody talking about it at all. I had received it in one of the boxes, which I do need to ask y'all something. If anybody has a phone number for Ipsy, if they've ever managed to uncover one, I need it. I need it bad. I have 3 tickets in a row with that glam bot, and 3 times whoever it is that's responding, they tell me the exact same thing, which isn't helping me at all. I need to speak with a human. I can't reset my password, which means I can't reset, or I can't check what all is going on with my Ipsy. I did not receive, I haven't gotten the icon box. I haven't, this is the BoxyCharm was the one I paid for a year in advance. Haven't gotten that one either. So I don't really know. It seems to me, I remember at the beginning of the month I got that glam bag. I'm pretty sure I did. But that is it. So just wondering what on earth is going on. Okay, yeah, it all popped back to where it should be. No patchy problems. I do consistently have a problem putting shadow right here. It won't stick. I don't know. Does anybody else have that problem? But you guys are probably all young whippersnappers, and you don't have that problem because, well, you're young. Okay, next. There is a color that's called Suede. It's a lighter color, but let me check it out. This could be wrong. Could be very wrong. But wouldn't be an eye look by me if I didn't do something wrong. It's very light, so almost looks like caramel to me. It's pretty. Okay, let me put it on the other side and see what happens. There is kick up in the pan, but I can't even, I don't even remember how old this palette is. I'm amazed that it's even giving out anything for me. But yeah, this is pretty. Yeah, I like that. Let me put a little bit more on the other side. Alright. Okay, so we have a ton of shimmers. I'm going to use Thunderstruck, which is the white shimmer, and that's going to go on my brow bone, of course. And also I'm going to attempt to put it in my inner corner, but we'll see. These look really super good, even after all this time. Okay, now I got a different, well, I had one. Oh, here it is. Do I want to put the white? Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put the white. Okay, now that I sort of have that done, to go underneath my eye, I think I'm going to go into, it's DOCE, which dose, I'm not really sure. But that one, I'm taking the same brush as I used before. Alright, now on my upper lid, I do want to do something. Oh, here we go again. Excuse me. Alright. There is, I think, okay. There's Flash, and there is Synergy, which is one that, this is the one that I'm thinking, oh, holy moly, that's, whoa, okay. These are, let's see, these are really blinding, as you can see. After all this time, that's impressive. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead. You know, let me show you raw power too, because even though it matches, good lord, I have crap all over me. Here it is right here, so that one is just as blinding, but that's the one I think I'm gonna go for. I'm also gonna put another, let me get this off of me so I don't, another color underneath, so let me do that real quick so I don't forget. I'm going to go ahead and put Synergy underneath my eyes as well. Yeah, that's okay. And then for up top, which I'm doing things out of order, but hey, you can do things out of order too. We're almost at whatever Wednesday, which means you can do what you want, as long as it's not illegal. That's right. That's our motto. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put Flash. Am I going to do that? No, I'm going to go ahead and put Raw Power in the middle of these. These are so buttery and nice. It's not too flashy, not too, wait, who am I? Who are you talking to? It's not too flashy. Where's Chris? What did you do with her? Definitely not me. It's been such a long time since I've had, there's absolutely no problems with this. Other than the initial thinking that we were going to have a problem with patchiness. Okay, guys, I am going to go get some mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I did not curl my lashes, and I guess I'm not going to curl my lashes. Oh, wow, I'm so prepared. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put my mascara on, and I've just picked up Perversion by Urban Decay. One of my faves. One of my older faves, as a matter of fact. Okay, guys, we're down to setting spray, which I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless, there's a long name, Flawless Setting Spray, not that long. Now, I've set some of my face before, and you guys, it's been so long since I haven't been using like a jet set setting spray. You really need to be away from your face when you squirt this, because it's not like the others that I've been using where you get that mist. This is a full-on spray, so Okay. But this will set your face. Alright. Let me see if I need to, I do have a sponge. Don't look at it because it is not clean because I already did this one once. Okay. Alright. That is, I'll show you my look, which is, here it is. Let me get this out of the way. There we go. This is the most neutral, no, is it neutral? I don't know. But this is the, like, the quietest one that I've had in quite a while. I did want to say just a couple of things. I used, oh man, everything is in order so I don't mess it up, but I used the Sephora bronzer matte that I got, I think it was during the Sephora sale. But this was kind of like my last, whether I was going to keep it or not, I don't know. I think it looks pretty good. However, I did have to finesse it. I couldn't just, like, you know, push it on like that. And I don't know. It may be true for most everything nowadays, but this one definitely took a lot of work to get it where it is. I am going to keep it. I'm not going to get rid of it because I think it is a pretty color. And, I mean, it did go on, so... You know, I don't think I should get rid of it just because of that. I also used a different concealer today, and you guys, they look better to you. Please give me your opinion because it feels like they look a little better. I went back to the Fiera. This is the one that I had used before. I totally blanked out and forgot I had it. But this one, which you put, I have found you can use anything you want, of course. Let me get it, if I can. But when you purchase this, or when I purchased this, they sent a brush along with it. And when you use this with this, and this is for women over 40, I believe that's what it's geared towards, women over 40. To me, this is the best that my under eyes have looked in quite a while because they're so crinkly most of the time. And I think that is all that I wanted to talk to you about. I brought out, this is the only second time I've ever used this, and I've had it forever, the ColourPop Stix, blush sticks. It's underneath House Labs, and I found it to be delightful. I don't know why I haven't pulled it out and used it more, but there you go. Okay guys, I know I wasn't very full of crap like I usually am, but I will be back. Of that you can be assured. Okay guys, wherever you are, I hope you are well. Take care. Have some fun, but stay safe. Watch your surroundings. You guys know. And I will see you on the next video. Bye guys.